Yo, what's up guys, it's Zohei. Listen up because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. Forget those hour-long gym sessions that suck the life out of you. Today we're diving into a 7-minute AI-powered workout that's gonna revolutionize the way you train. Get ready to unleash your inner beast mode because we're about to unlock the secrets to a leaner, meaner, and way more awesome you. Alright, let's kick things off with some jump squats. We're not messing around here, people. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Now drop it like it's hot. Squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. But here's the kicker. Instead of just standing back up, you're gonna explode up into the air like a rocket. Seriously, jump as high as you can, reaching for the sky. Remember, form is key. We don't want any injuries, just gains. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and land softly on your feet. We're going hard for 45 seconds straight, then a 15-second break to catch your breath. Keep pushing, guys. You got this. Time to crank up the heat with some mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position, shoulders over your wrists, core tight like a drum. Drive your knees towards your chest, one at a time, in a fast and controlled motion. The faster you go, the more calories you burn, so pick up the pace. This is a full body workout disguised as a simple exercise. You're engaging your core, arms, shoulders, chest, and legs. Remember to breathe. It's easy to forget when you're pushing hard, but your body needs oxygen to function. 45 seconds of this, then a quick break before we move on to the next challenge. Alright guys, time for the exercise. Everyone loves to hate burpees. I know, they're tough, but trust me, the results are worth the effort. This is a full body movement that's gonna torch calories and build some serious muscle. Start by standing tall, feet shoulder width apart, then drop down into a squat position and kick your feet back, landing in a plank position. Now, do a push-up, lowering your chest to the ground. Push back up, jump your feet forward, and explode up into the air reaching for the ceiling. That's 1 rep. Keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement and try to maintain a steady pace. 45 seconds of burpees, then a short break. You got this. Get ready to feel the burn with some plank to push-ups. This exercise is all about building core strength and stability. Start in a high plank position, shoulders over your wrists, core tight and engaged. Now, lower down onto your forearms, 1 arm at a time, until you're in a forearm plank. Hold that position for a second, then push back up to a high plank, 1 arm at a time. Make sure to keep your hips as still as possible throughout the entire movement. We're going for 45 seconds straight, then a quick break before we move on. Time to get that heart rate pumping with some high knees. This is a classic cardio exercise that's going to torch calories and improve your coordination. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Now start running in place, bringing your knees up as high as you can towards your chest. Imagine you're being chased by a horde of zombies because that's the kind of energy we're going for here. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and arms pumping. The faster you go, the more challenging this exercise becomes. We're going for 45 seconds, then a short break. Let's go. Get ready to target those obliques with some side plank crunches. This exercise is amazing for strengthening your core and sculpting those side abs. Start by lying on your side with your forearm directly below your shoulder and your legs stacked on top of each other. Now lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your heels. Once you're in a stable side plank position, bring your top knee towards your chest and crunch your obliques. Make sure to keep your core engaged and your hips lifted throughout the entire movement. We're going for 45 seconds on each side, then a short break. Let's sculpt those abs. Alright guys, we're in the home stretch. For this last exercise, we're gonna crank up the intensity and finish strong with some invisible jump rope. Just use your imagination and jump like your life depends on it. Stand tall with your feet together and your elbows bent, holding your hands out in front of you as if you were holding a jump rope. Now start jumping and rotating your wrists, as if you were swinging the rope under your feet. We're going all out for 30 seconds, so give it everything you've got. Boom! There you have it, guys. The Robot Trainer's 7-minute killer workout. That was intense, right? But hey, no pain, no gain. Do this 3 times a week and science says you'll burn 30% more fat than traditional workouts. Want faster results? Smash like and I'll send you the free 30-day AI plan. Turn on notifications. Tomorrow's video reveals the #1 mistake killing your fat loss. Drop a comment, "Robot, send my plan!" and subscribe for more AI-powered fitness hacks.